Good morning, welcome to Wagwan Tours. We're going to take a walk along the promenade in the gorgeous Lanzarote. As you can see, we're just at the beach, so let's have a look what's going on. So in the distance, I don't know if you can see it, Kirk's down there doing a little bit of a beach walk. We're going to stick to the promenade. We went to the tiny bar, we got some footage, so do love that video if you want to check that out. That's one of the best bars we actually went to when we went to Lanzarote. So we was going there and have a drink. Ada's really nice. She's got two other bars, one that is soon to be opening. So do check it out if you are on the island. They're all within walking distance of each other as well. So they're in this part of Lanzarote, Porto de Carmen. As you can see, you've got like all these sun lounges and everything. Got the yellow flag up today. You can feel that sun on me now. Beaches here are gorgeous. This is a very big one, but there's a lot of small intimate ones, and if you travel around the island, which is what we did, one of the times we were here we had a car and we went all over, and they have some gorgeous like white sand beaches that just look unreal, really picturesque, really pretty. Very, at the time when we went, they were very secluded, so it was kind of like you were the only people there. Really, really serene. So I think in terms of that, this might just clinch it. But I think my heart is with Tenerife. I'm a big fan of Lanzarote as well. I think everyone has their favourite Canary Island for various reasons. So if you have an opportunity, try and check them all out, which is what we're planning to do. And this time of year is fantastic because it's warm. taxi rank. It's just there's legal piers coming up on the right hand. There's also a bus stop. I think that takes you to the airport. Airport's not very far from here. It was about 15 minutes in the taxi. It was under €20. Pretty reasonable. So yeah, another little perk about Lanzarote is really cheap coming from the airport. It's a very small island.